My name's Taylor Wynn, and today I'm over on OFRA's YouTube channel sharing with you guys a very exciting collab. This is the JenLuvsReviews and OFRA Cosmetics Metamorphosis Trio. So Jen came out with 3 liquid lipsticks with OFRA. These are their original liquid lipstick formulas. So if you have never tried OFRA's formulas, they're very long-lasting, comfortable, they don't feel drying, and they smell amazing. They smell like vanilla. And the idea behind these lipsticks is that basically you can customize them and transform them to create any kind of shade that you want. You can mix them with each other, you can wear them on their own, you can mix them with bullet lipsticks, lip liners, liquid lipsticks, lip gloss, literally anything you want, you can mix them. I'm a big fan of mixing makeup in general. I mix foundation all the time. I mix lipsticks almost every day. I usually never just wear one lipstick. I always layer them. So I just love this concept, and I'm going to show you guys some ideas on how you can mix them. Okay, so we're going to start out with the lightest shade first from the trio, the shade Revive. So that's what we're going to start out with. I'm going to show you each of these on their own, and then just some ideas how you can mix them with each other or with different lipsticks. I love the smell of OFRA liquid lipsticks. Confetti cake. Ate that one too many times in college. So the thing about nude lips is obviously each one is going to look different depending on what your skin tone is. For me, this one is definitely like a light nude, and I would totally wear this on its own. I like these kind of light nude shades. Some people might be too much, but I'm going to show you how you can just kind of like amp it up a little bit with some lip liner. So this is Cokie Nude. I'm just going to line the outside a little bit. So as you can see, that just gives a little bit more definition to the lips, so it's not quite blending into my skin tone as much, but it still has that light nude effect. So I love this combo. And then just so we can see what this shade would look like with a glossy finish, I'm gonna use the Catrice Voluminizing Lip Booster. This is just like a light pink nude. I love the combo of those 3 together. Now we're gonna try on Refine. I love that each of these are more of a neutral tone, which just makes them really easy to adjust. So as you can see on fair skin, this is a pretty deep but still wearable kind of chocolatey brown shade. I love the undertone of this one. I do want to layer this with the Hourglass Unreal. This is basically like a super pigmented gloss. It has a glossy finish, but it's kind of like a glossy liquid lipstick basically. And I'm applying these with the liquid lipstick down first because that's usually how I like to mix lipsticks. I mix lipsticks all the time. This is kind of the way that I prefer. I like putting the liquid lipstick down first, and that way it also lasts longer on your lips. And then I like to put either bolt lipstick or gloss or another liquid lipstick over top. But if you want to do it in the opposite, you totally could. Alright, so that added a glossy finish, lightened it up a little bit. I'm actually going to do a triple layer action here and go back in with the lightest shade. I'm going to take this on my finger because I don't want to get the applicator too dark. I'm just going to tap that on. That lightened it up so nice. I like that it didn't make it too pink. It still kind of kept the same undertone. Now I'm going to go with the darkest shade in the trio, which is Reimagine. So here's the shade Reimagine on its own. Keep in mind, again, depending on your skin tone, it's gonna look totally different. On me, it's like a vampy kind of brown, which I love for certain looks, especially like for fall. I could see this being super pretty, mixed in with like a peachy kind of color, which we're gonna do that today. Let's do it. So I'm gonna go right over top with another liquid lipstick. This is Kinky Nude from Ardell. And again, you could work in the reverse, start out with this and then use your finger or use like a lip brush to go with the darker shade and kind of create a lip liner almost. But I, again, prefer this way. This is making me way too excited for fall. Where's the pumpkin patch? Sign me up. I'm curious how light I can get this one, so I'm going to take the Alamar Cosmetics lip gloss in the shade Chula. And this one is a pretty light peachy undertone, so I'm going to go in with my finger again. You could go directly in, but I'm just going to take my finger, tap it on. So those were all 3 shades of the Metamorphosis trio. Hopefully that gave you some ideas on how you can wear them either with each other or just mixed with any lipsticks that you have to create your own custom shades. I think it's an awesome idea. Congratulations to Jen. Mixing lipsticks is just a fun thing to do because you can literally create your perfect shade. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have never seen my face before, my YouTube channel is youtube.com/TaylorWynn. And if you want to shop Jen's collection, it'll be linked down below in the description box. Thanks for watching, and thank you, OFRA, for having me on your YouTube channel.